So, so for this first drawing, where you use your hand, and so you're looking at your hand, and then drawing what you're seeing, right? And so this is going to be my trying to just kind of like, this is what I'm going to pose my hand as, and then so what I'm doing is trying to, like, with my eye, follow the edge of this finger, right? And at the same time trying to make that same connection with my pen, right? And so when I'm looking at it, I'm going to go really slow. I'm looking at the hand, but I'm going to go really slow when I start drawing. And so that movement is really slow because I'm trying to concentrate and focus on what I'm looking at, right? So this idea of observation is really important, right? And so that movement of my hand is really, really slow, right? And so for the purpose of this video, of course, I'm going a little bit faster than I would normally go. So I'm never lifting my pen up. It's going to be one continuous line. So I'm staring at my finger and then going back and drawing at the same time. And so again, it's a really slow movement because I want to make sure that I'm paying attention to details and making sure that my observations are careful. So instead of trying to draw, like in your head, trying to draw what you already know is a finger, will be harder because it's the preconceived idea of what you think a finger looks like or a hand looks like, right? And so this way you're actually drawing from life. You're drawing from what you're looking at. So that whole idea of looking and drawing what you see slows you down, and also is a great example of good observation skills. So for this class, that's going to be crucial because you're going to have to stop and look at some art pieces and really sit there and look at it, and like not just kind of be like, oh, I know what I'm looking at, and you know, this way you're training your eye to stop and look and kind of pay attention to details. Right? And so again, you're not going to lift your pencil. You want to just continue with one continuous line. And so it's okay if you overlap, but you just want to kind of make sure that you're just going really slow. And so the first drawing that you do will be a minute, right? And maybe the first one, the minute, will be just maybe one finger. The second, the 2 minute, and then the 3 minute, you're going to notice you're going to be able to pick up more detail, right? So let's just say that this was the 1 minute. I'm pretty sure I've gone over a minute, but this is what I have, right? And so I would label this 1 minute, and then I would do the second drawing, the same thing, and just try to really slow your hand down. And you can do the same pose or you can change it, that's fine. But you're gonna label them this way, right? So remember, don't lift the pencil, and just one continuous line.